Everyone, my name is Adrik Chanda. I made a paper drone. It has three colors: yellow, red and sky blue. It has four legs and four fans. I take a paper and fold like this. Again, I take a paper and fold like this. I colored this red and I put some glue here and keep it here. And I made some circles and cut. Then again I take glue and keep it here.